You're gonna love the 2014 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle still has fewer than 200,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.